Hello you guys, what is up? And today I'm going to be reviewing this half keyboard called the Sades mechanical keyboard. Let's just get straight into it. Okay guys, this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it's like not the tiniest thing in the world, but it only goes to the keys F, G, and B and stuff. So it cuts off here at the number 6. That's kind of what you can expect. Here's the box that it came in. You know, nothing too fancy. Just a casual gray box and stuff. So the main things about this keyboard are it's mechanical. As you can hear, like it sounds pretty crispy, you know. But one thing that's kind of a downside is the keys come off pretty easily. Like you can just pop them off like they're nothing, because that's what the inside of them look like. And this one's the blue switch one. As you can see, it has the blue switches. It's actually pretty much a fantastic keyboard, because I was using this old membrane keyboard and then I got this one on Amazon for like 30 bucks, and it's actually done me pretty solid. I just play Fortnite on it with my Xbox. It does work with Xbox, I know that 100%. But I'm not completely sure about PS4 or anything like that, just because I don't have a PS4. But I would recommend getting this if you have an Xbox or a console. A PC too, if you have a bigger keyboard, because you need a full-size keyboard to have a PC good. You know, because since you don't have all the keys, you can't type or anything like that. I thought this might come out, you know, it doesn't. It's solid in there. It's a pretty long cable, and it just has a standard USB thing, you know, can plug into pretty much anything, like a laptop and stuff. So if you want to get this, I would say just go ahead and get it, because it's actually a great deal. If you can get it for lower than the $30, then that's fantastic and stuff. Pretty much get this if you want it. It's a great keyboard. There's not too much to say about it. It's just a budget, small mechanical keyboard for half. You know, the half keyboard makes it so if you had a full-size keyboard, say you go out to like here, if you had a mega size keyboard, then you'd only have this much. You would have less mouse room on the side, as if this was gone. You would have all this area to do whatever the heck you wanted. And that's why the half keyboards are great, because if you get like a full-size mouse pad and you put the half keyboard on it, and then you have your mouse, you can just go anywhere you want pretty much with the mouse. You can have a lower sensitivity so that you're more precise and stuff. That's why I got this, and my other one was trash. It was membrane, so like didn't click or anything, and the buttons wouldn't misfire. So this made me like way more, I don't know, I just felt better on it and stuff. For Fortnite, my builds and everything were better. It's probably good for any other game, you know, just because if it's good for Fortnite, it's good for any other game pretty much, unless you need to be quiet for some reason. But how would they hear your keyboard? Yeah, it is pretty loud. Like if you have an actual mic, that's not very expensive, so it just kind of picks up all the noise. It does get pretty loud, so make sure if you're playing with anyone, they're kind of fine with hearing a little bit of clicks in the background. My friend said that they knew it was there, like they could hear it, but they just kind of toned it out. And here's it up close, you know, she's got like a little metal ring. It's actually like pretty heavy duty. It's got some grips on the bottom. As you can see, this is all just hollow, but the wrist rest does help a lot, so you're not like this, you're like that. So yeah, I would recommend this. It's a fantastic keyboard for the price, 30 bucks. Go get yourself this. The link will be down below. And one more thing, this is what it looks like, all lit up. There's a couple modes, as you can see. You just do this, and it can go like that. You can't make it just solid colors. They're kind of like stuck to one. You can turn it completely off or just on. I'll just leave it at that, you know, pretty nice. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to go smash the like and subscribe. Comment down below anything you want to know about it before you get it. And yeah, make sure to subscribe for more bangers.